Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this episode, we're making a smoked beef tenderloin. You can do this in your oven as well, but we're going to start it in the smoker and finish it off on the grill. Please make sure to give us a like, subscribe for more videos, and let us know what you think in the comments section below. So first we start with our raw beef tenderloin. We bring it to room temperature, and then we generously season it with our favorite beef rub. Now you can just use salt and pepper, garlic, whatever you like. And then we'll slice up some onions, and we're going to place those just around the roast and over the top to just help add moisture and retain moisture through the cooking process. So while we were doing that, we have our smoker preheating to about 225, 250, somewhere in that range. Once we get it up to temp, we go ahead and add our wood chips, our soaked wood chips, and we're using apple wood here. And now we put our roast in the smoker and smoke that for about 40 minutes. If you're doing it in your oven, I would recommend 225 for 45 minutes before taking it out and flipping it. Now this is an excellent time to get our charcoal lit so it can get fully lit when we're ready to sear it. Now about 40 minutes later, we can take it out, and obviously it's still going to be pretty raw, but all we're doing here is just flipping it so the smoke can penetrate the upside too. Now this is looking pretty good already, but we've got to put it back in, and at this point we're going to put a probe in there and look for a 135, roughly about 30 more minutes, 40 minutes. Alright, yeah, we've got a perfect 135 there. So now we're going to get that on the grill, give it a little reverse sear.
It's going to be good.
Alright, we've got it on the grill now. We're going to sear it on one side, each side, probably about 2 to 3 minutes. We're just trying to reach it up to about 140. We're going to take it off, put it back in the tinfoil, wrap it with those onions, and then let it sit, rest for about 10 minutes. It's going to be good. Okay, we just hit 140. So now we're going to put it back on a pan. We're going to let that rest for about 10 minutes. Should get us up to that 145. And then we're going to give it a try.
This is going to be good. Trust me, it's delicious. I tried this before. Trust me.
He knows. Alright, we're gonna give this a try.
I'll go for a middle piece.
Crap, this one looks pretty good here. What do you think of it, Kaizen? Pretty good.
This is delicious.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Please let us know what you think in the comment section below. And stay tuned for more videos.
Till next time.
Bakes out.
But now,
Bendy spoon, you know.
mind blown.